Are you unable to reach the combustion chamber or cargo compartment of your automobile because it is too high above the ground? This component, which has a direct connection to the wheel, would facilitate repairs, the loading process, and various other duties. It is capable of supporting up to 300 pounds and is suitable for a variety of automobiles and truck various kinds because of its adjustable width and height modifications. Having consistent traction is made possible by the anti-slip surface. Because of this step, washing the automobile is considerably simpler. This step is constructed of steel and when folded, occupies almost very little room in the trunk.